how to always retain your previous session tabs in Google Chrome. Never lose your open tabs again. Let's get started. First, let's open Google Chrome. Once you have Google Chrome open, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. This is the menu button. From the drop down menu, select Settings. In the Settings tab, scroll down to the On Startup section. Now here you'll see three options, that is to always retain your previous session tabs. Select the option that says continue where you left off. That's it. Now whenever you close and reopen Chrome, your tabs from your previous session will be restored. If you want to make sure this setting is enabled, you can test it out by opening a few tabs, closing Chrome and then reopening it. Your tabs should be just as you left them. This feature is incredibly useful for staying organized and picking up right where you left off. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.